about the U-brake system, there are three important points that we have to know about the U-brake system. Firstly, you have to adjust the hand grips, the hand screw. Okay, how do you feel? Stronger or softer? Okay. If you need the brake lever a bit stronger, you just you have to readjust this nut. Okay, you have to loosen 10 mm this nut, the nut size, and then try to press or depress your brake system. How do you feel with your hand? If it's good or comfort for your hand, you can lock again this 10 mm nuts. Okay. So the second one is how to make the U-brake arm or U-brake lever work synchronously by adjusting this nut. Okay, by adjusting this nut. If you take here, it's look like the same thing. Okay, it look like the same thing, but when you install in the fork of the bicycle unit, the front fork, you can find how the actual. Okay, if the adjustment is still not found, what we are going to do is how to loosen this 10 mm nuts and then try to push the lever bit by bit so that the timing of the both lever are the same. So it means after you got it, we just lock. So it means that you have successfully make the levers, the both levers correct timing. Okay. So don't forget that you have to use double nuts like this. Okay, double nut like this. First one is for adjusting nuts, and the second one is for the lock nut. Okay. The same with the front. You have to use the double nut. The first one for the adjuster and the second one for the lock nut has been found. What we are going next is how to let the brake pad to cleanse the rims at the right timing. Okay. By changing this spacer inside. You can put the spacer inside, or this inside spacer can be put outside. So the most important, the cleanse timing is the same. Okay, cleanse to the rim, the pad also has the same timing. The brake unit has also modified with the spring. Okay, this is for the flexibility, for the quick response for your brake. So once again, I tell you, even the lever synchron timing has been found. It doesn't mean the brake pad also the same timing has the same timing. Okay, sometimes it still have a big clearance, so that's why we try to readjust the brake pad by adjusting the spacer inside. You can be put inside or the inside to be put outside. Okay, the most to obtain. Okay, and don't forget to use the spring for the quick responsibility of your brake system. Okay, you can use any spring. Okay, and most important, not so big, not so big. and this is to be a use for your bike. I think that's all for our